Imagine being able to download knowledge directly into your brain or communicate thoughts instantly with anyone across the globe. This isn't science fiction. It's the promise of neural lace technology, a groundbreaking innovation that could revolutionize human cognition. Welcome to our deep dive into neural lace technology for enhanced cognitive abilities, where we'll explore how this futuristic advancement could transform our minds and lives. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting updates. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Neural lace technology is essentially a mesh-like structure that integrates with the brain, acting as an interface between our biological neurons and digital devices. Imagine it as a fine web that gets injected into the brain, where it unfurls and integrates seamlessly with neural tissue. This tech serves as a bridge, enhancing our cognitive functions by allowing direct interaction with computers and other devices. It's like turning your brain into a supercharged processor with unprecedented capability. The concept of neural lace was popularized by Elon Musk's company Neuralink, which aims to create advanced brain-machine interfaces, BMIS. These BMIS could potentially allow us to control electronic devices with our minds, store vast amounts of information, and even cure neurological diseases. But how exactly does neural lace work, and what possibilities does it unlock? Let's break this down, starting with the science behind neural lace. The technology involves ultra-thin, flexible fibers that can be injected into the brain using a needle. Once inside, these fibers spread out like a net, making contact with neurons in a minimally invasive way. This network of fibers can then transmit electrical signals between the brain and external devices, creating a two-way communication channel. Essentially, it allows your brain to send and receive information from a computer, much like how your smartphone connects to the internet. One of the major advantages of neural lace is its potential to enhance cognitive ability. Think about it. Our brains are incredibly powerful, but they have limitations, especially in terms of memory and processing speed. Neural lace could augment these capabilities by providing extra computational power. For instance, need to memorize a large volume of information for an exam? With neural lace, you could download the necessary data directly into your brain. Or imagine being able to learn a new language in a matter of minutes, instead of months or years. But the benefits don't stop there. Neural lace technology could also revolutionize communication. Currently, we rely on spoken and written language to convey thoughts and ideas, which can be slow and prone to misunderstandings. With neural lace, it might be possible to communicate directly brain to brain, effectively transmitting thoughts and emotions instantly. This would take human interaction to a whole new level, allowing for deeper connections and understanding between individuals. Consider the impact on people with disabilities or neurological condition. Neural lace could potentially restore lost functions or even enhance existing ones. For example, someone with paralysis could regain control over their limbs through a neural interface, or a person with Alzheimer's could have their memory restored. The medical applications are vast and could significantly improve the quality of life for millions of people. However, as with any groundbreaking technology, there are ethical and practical considerations. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. With neural lace, our thoughts and memories could potentially be accessed by external devices, raising questions about data security and consent. Who controls this information, and how can we ensure it's protected from misuse? These are critical issues that need to be addressed as the technology develops. There's also the question of accessibility. Advanced technologies like neural lace could potentially widen the gap between those who can afford it and those who cannot. Ensuring that this technology is available to all segments of society will be crucial to prevent further socio-economic disparities. Another concern is the long-term effects of integrating such a device with the human brain. While initial studies and prototypes are promising, we still need to understand the potential risks and side effects. Ongoing research is essential to ensure the safety and efficacy of neural lace technology. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of neural lace are too significant to ignore. Let's delve deeper into some real-world examples and potential applications of this technology. Take education, for instance. Imagine a classroom where students can access vast amounts of information instantly, allowing for a more dynamic and interactive learning experience. Teachers could customize lessons on the fly, adapting to the needs and interests of each student. In the field of medicine, neural lace could be used to monitor and treat neurological conditions in real time. Doctors could receive instant feedback on a patient's brain activity, allowing for more precise and effective treatments. This could also open up new avenues for research into the brain, leading to breakthroughs in our understanding of human cognition and consciousness. In the workplace, neural lace could enhance productivity and creativity. Professionals could quickly access and process information, collaborate more efficiently, and even innovate new solutions to complex problems. Imagine being able to brainstorm ideas directly with your colleagues' minds, eliminating the barriers of time and communication. The creative arts could also see a revolution. Musicians, writers, and artists could tap into new levels of inspiration and expression, directly translating their thoughts into their work. This could lead to a new era of creativity and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we consider possible in the arts. Let's also consider the potential for entertainment. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, our experiences could become incredibly immersive, directly stimulating the brain's sensory center. Imagine being able to feel, smell, and even taste in a virtual environment, creating experiences that are indistinguishable from reality. While the possibilities are exciting, we must approach neural lace technology with caution and responsibility. Ethical considerations, such as ensuring informed consent and protecting personal data, must be at the forefront of its development. We need to foster an open dialogue between scientists, policymakers, and the public to address these concerns and establish regulations that safeguard our rights and well-being. As we move forward, collaboration between various fields of expertise will be essential. Neuroscientists, engineers, ethicists, and policymakers must work together to navigate the complexities of neural lace technology. By fostering interdisciplinary cooperation, we can ensure that this technology is developed responsibly and beneficially for humanity. In conclusion, neural lace technology holds immense potential to enhance cognitive abilities and transform various aspects of our lives. From education and medicine to communication and creativity, the applications are vast and far-reaching. However, it's crucial that we address the ethical and practical considerations to ensure that this technology benefits society as a whole. As we venture into this new frontier, let's embrace the opportunities while remaining mindful of the challenges. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on futuristic technology. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We look forward to hearing from you.